simultaneously interpreting. I would like to give you an account of a trip I had about 2 years ago. A friend and I were traveling home from a meeting on a cold winter night. It was snowing, and we were not able to see the road ahead clearly. My friend, who is a very able driver, was about to make a left turn when the rear wheels of the car abruptly began to skid toward the side of the road. He tried turning the front wheels toward the direction of the skid, but to no avail. The car made a 180-degree turn, and after a few seconds came to rest in a snowbank. I was so absorbed in the incident that I did not notice I had cut my finger. Fortunately, my friend had a first aid kit in the car, and a Band-Aid proved to be adequate for my wound. My friend was very shaken up by the accident and was not sure what to do. He suggested that we abandon the car and start walking to the next town. I was opposed to doing this because I was not sure of exactly where we were. I did remember, however, that we had driven across a bridge only a minute or two before the accident. When I looked at a map that my friend carried in his car, I discovered that we would have over 20 miles to walk to get to the nearest town. It was too cold to try to walk that far, so I suggested we stay with the car. The engine was not damaged, and we could keep it running and use the heater to keep us warm. My friend was ready to abandon all hope of being found. After a pep talk, he began to regain his composure. We talked for a while and soon forgot about the situation we were in. Fortunately, we did receive help not too long after the accident from a passing motorist who happened to be driving a 4-wheel drive Jeep and was able to pull our car out of the snow. By the time we were on our way again, the sky above had cleared and the stars shone brightly. It was only then that my friend made a startling admission to me. He had been absent-minded about renewing his driver's license and was afraid that if a policeman had tried to help us, the policeman would have discovered he was driving without a license. My friend said that in the future he would send his renewal fees in advance. Never again would he permit his license to expire.